How to create a SMART Goals action plan. Welcome to Magnetic Mind, the channel where we unlock your potential and bring you closer to your most ambitious goals. Today, in this special episode, we will reveal to you the secret of Brian Tracy's SMART Goals and how to create an effective action plan that will change your life forever. If you've ever felt trapped in a cycle of unfulfilled desires and promises, this video is for you. Here, you will learn how to transform your dreams into concrete and achievable goals. Get ready for a journey of transformation and success. But before we dive into the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our powerful strategies. Leave your comments so we can know your thoughts. And don't forget to like this video, because together we will make your goals a reality. Introduction to SMART Goals. Brian Tracy, a giant in the world of personal development, has given us a strategy that has changed the lives of millions of people: SMART Goals. But what exactly are they? These acronyms represent specific, measurable, achievable, relevant goals, and with a defined time. They are the path to success. Specific goals will help you clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable goals will allow you to tangibly evaluate your progress. Attainable goals will guide you towards realistic goals. Relevant goals will connect you to your deepest values and aspirations, and defined time will give you a deadline to achieve it. These are not simply abstract concepts. They are the keys to realizing your dreams. Throughout this video, we will reveal how to apply each of these principles in your life to achieve the success you want. So don't miss it. Breakdown of SMART Goals. Now, let's delve into each of these components to understand how to apply them to your personal and professional goals. First, specific goals help you clearly define what you want to achieve. Imagine that you want to improve your health. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," you could be more specific and say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months." This clarity gives you clear direction. Second, measurable goals allow you to quantify your objectives so you can track your progress. You will know exactly how much weight you have lost in a given period. Third, attainable goals ensure that they are realistic and achievable. Don't set out to lose 20 kilos in a week. That is neither realistic nor healthy. Instead, focus on achievable goals that you can work towards gradually. Fourth, relevant goals connect you to your values and aspirations. Why is it important for you to lose weight? Maybe you want to improve your health to enjoy more time with your family. That makes your goal more relevant and meaningful. Fifth, time-defined goals establish a deadline to create urgency and commitment. Having a deadline motivates you to take action and avoid procrastination. By understanding and applying these components of SMART Goals to your personal and professional goals, you will be on the right path to achieving success and fulfillment in your life. So stick with us as we guide you through this transformative process. 3. Creation of your action plan. Once you have defined your SMART Goals, it is time to create a concrete action plan that will lead you to success. Here are the key steps that will guide you in this transformative process. First, identify the tasks necessary to achieve your goals. Break down your goal into specific, achievable actions. If your goal is to lose weight, tasks might include planning your meals, exercising regularly, and tracking your progress. Second, establish priorities among those tasks. Determine which are the most important and which should be addressed first. This will help you focus your energy and time on what really matters. Third, allocate a specific time to each task. Schedule these activities into your calendar realistically. This will help you keep track and avoid procrastination. Finally, keep constant track of your progress. Regularly review your tasks and progress. If you find yourself deviating from your plan, adjust and adapt as necessary. Consistency and perseverance are key to achieving your SMART Goals. With these steps, you will be prepared to transform your goals into reality in an effective and organized way. Stay with us as we give you more tips and strategies to achieve your dream. Examples of SMART Goals and action plans. Now, we will show you practical examples of SMART Goals and their corresponding action plans. These examples will illustrate how these strategies can be applied to various areas of your life and will inspire you to take the step towards personal transformation. First, Let's consider a career goal. If you're aiming for a promotion at your job, a SMART goal would be get promoted to a management position in the next 12 months. The action plan would include identifying necessary skills, enrolling in leadership courses, seeking mentorship, and updating your resume. On a personal level, if you want to improve your fitness, a SMART goal could be run a marathon in a year. Your action plan would include creating a training program, keeping track of your runs, and making sure you have the right equipment. These are just examples, but they demonstrate how SMART goals and action plans can be applied to your specific objectives. Through this methodology, you can turn your dreams into concrete and achievable realities. Keep watching for more ideas and tips for your own path to success. 5. Success stories and tips from Brian Tracy. We wouldn't be complete without sharing success stories and tips from Brian Tracy to stay focused and motivated on your journey to achieving your SMART goals. Imagine someone like you who applied these strategies and transformed their life. You'll hear true stories of people who went from mediocrity to extraordinary success using SMART goals as their compass. Plus, Brian Tracy, with decades of experience in personal development, will share valuable tips to stay focused on your goals, overcome obstacles, and maintain a positive mindset. These inspiring stories and practical tips will remind you that you are not alone in your quest for success and will provide you with the tools necessary to effectively achieve your goals. Stay with us to learn from the best and achieve your dreams. 6. Implementation and monitoring. Finally, we will guide you through implementing your goals and how to properly track them to ensure your lasting success. Implementation is the phase where your plans become action. We will provide you with effective strategies to overcome procrastination, maintain discipline, and maintain constant focus on your SMART goals. You will learn to establish powerful habits that will bring you closer to your goals every day. Then, we'll show you how to follow up properly. You'll discover how to measure your progress regularly, adjust your plan if necessary, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Tracking will help you stay motivated and make sure you're on track to reach your goals. So don't miss this important part of the process. Implementation and follow-through are the keys to systematically and successfully making your dreams come true. Stay with us as we give you the tools you need to succeed. Conclusion. And there you have it, Brian Tracy's magic SMART goals formula and how to create your own action plan to achieve your dreams. On this journey together, we've explored how to transform your desires into specific, achievable goals, broken down the keys to an effective action plan, and provided you with inspiring examples and valuable advice from Brian Tracy. Don't forget to subscribe to Magnetic Mind to continue enhancing your mind and your life. Leave your comments and like this video if it has inspired you and you want more content to achieve the greatness that lies within you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to greatness. Remember, your goals are achievable with the right strategy. Until next time, and keep working on your dreams.